It's time to make another keycap. The key to these is a really thin layer of clay, especially if you're going to do texture since they sit so close together. Now for the subject matter, we got a more unique Korok this time round. When you order a Korok from me, you can customize the color and the face, because I'm fun. Anyways, we're making a goth Korok, because angst is cool, but not too much of it. Don't be too angsty now. And he needs room for his nose. Cute, my trick for fine detail. Look at that, mask up for that resin. He's just a little goober.